Yo, what's up guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and we're looking at a 1997 Virago, Yamaha Virago 1100. Guys, this bike is awesome. Good tread on the rear tire. Man, it's still dirty. I washed it. Wiped it down. People are gonna roast me. You don't know how to wipe a bike down. Rear fender actually looks pretty good. It's got this gigantic Corbin seat, which is pretty awesome. There's also some rust on the rear side of that exhaust. It is missing the rider peg there, missing the cover, unless there is no supposed to, see there's supposed to be a cover, there's a rivet there, so cover. Tank's actually in pretty good shape. Just have a scuff right there if you can see that. 1100. This thing's in great shape. Fires up right away, I'll show you. It's got some scuffs here on the rear fender if you can see that. Tread on the tire in the front is amazing. It's got some scuffs on the front fender as well. You can see those. Not a gigantic deal, guys. You know what you're buying with this. It's got some rust. It just needs a really, really good clean. But it's gonna be dirt cheap, guys. It's got a center stand. Seats in good shape. For Virago. It's got 43,000 miles on it. Holy smokes. That's nothing. Watch this. Here we go. You ready? And that is with choke completely off. Choke completely off. Choke up a little bit. Let's ramp it up. Bike runs amazing, guys. Like I said, 1997 Virago. It is kind of what it is cosmetically. It's in great shape, guys. Like I said, it needs a really clean bath. I should have given it a much more thorough bath. I didn't really realize it was that dirty. Like I said, guys, it's in great shape. 40,000 miles. Tires are good. It runs great. This is all you need in your first starter bike. This is going to be an awesome bike for somebody at 1100. Plenty of power to get you wherever you want to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to let me know if it's something you're interested in. Check out Bikes and Beards. Have a good one, guys.